Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 INFINITI Q60 Red Sport. Now you may wonder, yes, I've driven a bunch of these, but they never get old. They are still absolutely brilliant to drive. Ooh, it's windy. And this is, I believe, our best spec that's on the lot in terms of color combo. We have midnight black over Monaco red with black accents. Sticker price on this one, $63,115. 400 horsepower, 3-liter V6, 350 pound-feet of torque. For those of you eagerly anticipating the 400Z, that may sound familiar. That's because this is the powertrain in the 400Z. Same motor and everything. So that's why I'm like, if people want a 400Z but don't want to wait, Q60 Red Sport's here for you. And I think this is gonna give as good of a hint as possible as what the 400Z is going to feel like. I definitely want to try a 400Z with a manual, because that's the one thing I wish they did with the Q60 Red Sport, is offer it in a manual. I know the take rate would have been stupid low, but I don't know. That's also kind of not, this car wasn't designed to be an all-out sports car. It's an M4 competitor. It's more of an M440i competitor, where it's a performance-oriented Grand Tourer. However, I will say that from a driver's standpoint, this car performs very well. You know, there's no getting around the fact that 400 horsepower is plenty for something like this. Seven-speed torque converter automatic. Honestly, doesn't deserve the hate it gets. I found that the 21s and 22s, transmission tuning seems to be a lot better than it was in previous years. Now, if you drive a 2017 Red Sport and then you drive a 2022, you'll notice the transmission's much more responsive, and it's just a better experience. That's the issue with, I think, a lot of reviews, early reviews on pre-production cars, and the tuning wasn't finalized. People just hated this transmission and they didn't give it a chance. And all in all, as an overall package, I would buy the car. You know, I've spent a lot of time in these cars now. And my general manager, she has a Q60 Red Sport, and everybody at the dealership absolutely loves these cars. Just overall, this car is good. It is good. I'm not saying that because we're trying to sell a car or anything like that. Just the truth of the matter is, this is a good car. A lot of people complain about the price point. I just don't agree with it, man. This could be a $75,000, $80,000 car before I started to complain. It's just, so many people don't talk about these cars, and they deserve all the attention right now. You know, it's just a shame that certain people's opinions can absolutely tarnish a reputation of a car and make people think a certain thing that's completely false. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.